How do you log out of the Outlook app on Android? Alright everyone, it's simple. You're going to start by clicking on your profile picture. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on this gear icon below. After clicking on the gear icon, scroll down to the General option and notice that under General, you'll find the Accounts option. Click on Accounts. Now it's simple. If you have more than one account, to sign out of Outlook, just click on the account you want. In my case, I only have one account in this app, so I'll click on my account. You click on yours and you'll come to this page. On this page, scroll all the way down and at the very bottom, you'll find the option to remove the account. Note that by removing this account from the app, all local information will be deleted, okay? All information stored in the app will be erased. If you want to delete the account itself, that's different. You'll need to look up how to permanently close your account. In this case, we're just signing out of the Outlook app on Android, okay? So I'm going to click to remove it. It's really simple. It will ask if I want to remove it. I'll click remove and that's it. I've just signed out of the Outlook app on Android. It's simple and quick, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.